Boy, tell me a little bit about the competition for the California pizza.
Real California Pizza Contest. It's about the seventh year. It's easy to enter always. Description of your photo. Photos, a couple photos. It's two categories on the menu. What's a really popular pizza on the menu? The other position is California Freestyle. How do you envision California pizza to be? Finalists are flown to Napa, California. Cook in the most beautiful competition in the kitchen there is, which is the Culinary Institute of America.
Sure.
Judges are Tony Giuliani, Red Meyer, and Sable Space.
And luminaries.
Pretty, let's do this.
California.
Yeah, there's Cashman. It's actually one of the best.
You know, and some of the winners of the competition are stellar pizza makers themselves. I think it's fantastic that you're promoting a local product, you know, by California cheese, and there's a wide range of California cheese.
Yeah, so, it's a contest put on by the California Milk Advisory Board, which markets in their real California milk food service. And its goal is to increase the awareness and usage of California dairy products. California is the #1 state for production of lots of cheese. And there's a bunch of other great artisan cheeses.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Hold up that poster. How can people enter the Real California Pizza Cheese Challenge?
Yeah, so Real California Milk Food Service is the website. Really easy to enter. There's a QR code on this photo as well.
Well, I hope this gets out there and a lot of people enter and win.
See you out there. Thanks, man.
Thank you so much, Lloyd. And Lloyd loves pizza. Check him out on Instagram. You do some great stuff.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.